Welcome to the fascinating world of golf, a sport of precision and accuracy. Originating in 15th century Scotland, golf has grown into a global phenomenon, captivating millions with its blend of strategy, skill, and the great outdoors. Played on expansive green courses, the aim is simple yet challenging: to guide a small ball into a series of holes using minimal strokes. It's a game that tests patience, precision, and perseverance. Now that you have a brief understanding of what golf is, let's delve into how to actually play this game. First things first, let's talk about the essential equipment needed to play golf. Golf is a game of precision and skill, and the tools of the trade play a crucial role in your performance. At the core of these tools are golf clubs, each designed for specific situations on the course. Woods designed for long-distance fairway or tee shots. Irons used for a variety of shots, and putters specifically designed for making short, low-speed strokes. Hybrids, as the name suggests, combine the best features of woods and irons. Next in line, we have the golf ball, the object you'll be driving down the fairway. Golf tees, small pegs used to support the ball at the start of each hole, and a golf bag to carry your clubs, balls, and tees are also essential. And let's not forget the golf attire, ensuring you look the part while respecting the dress code of the course. Now that you know about the equipment, we are ready to step onto the golf course. Before you start swinging your club, it's crucial to understand the basic rules and objectives of golf. The main goal seems simple enough: get the ball from the teeing ground into the hole with as few strokes as possible. But like any sport, there's more to it than meets the eye. Let's talk about the order of play. After teeing off, the player who is furthest from the hole goes first. It's not about rushing, it's about strategy and patience. Lost your ball? Well, that's going to cost you a one-stroke penalty, and you'll have to play another from the spot where the previous shot was made. And remember, golf is a game of focus. While others are playing, it's important to maintain silence. Your fellow players will appreciate your consideration. Not to mention, it'll help you keep your own concentration when it's your turn to play. With the basic rules in mind, you're ready to start playing. With the rules set, it's time to get into the techniques of the game. First up, the stance and grip. Imagine you're a clock, feet shoulder-width apart, pointed out slightly. The grip is key. Hold the club firmly, but not too tight, like you're shaking hands with an old friend. Next, we move on to the golf swing, a three-part symphony of motion. The backswing is your setup, turning your body and coiling your power. The downswing is the release of that power, shifting your weight forward and striking the ball. And the follow-through, that's your victory dance, a proud display of balance and control. Now let's talk about the different types of shots. The drive, a long-distance shot usually performed with a driver or a wood club. The approach, a calculated shot designed to get your ball on the green. The chip, a shorter shot to get you closer to the hole when you're already near the green. And lastly, the putt, the grand finale, a gentle tap to send your ball home into the hole. And before we end, a word on reading the green for putting. Pay attention to the grass, its direction, its color. This will help you judge the slope and the speed of the green. By practicing these techniques regularly, you should be able to improve your game significantly. Congratulations, you've learned the basics of golf. Let's take a moment to recap. We've covered everything from the essential equipment you'll need to the primary rules and objectives of the game. We've even delved into basic techniques, shedding light on the perfect grip, stance, and swing. Remember, golf is a game of patience, precision, and practice. Each round is a chance to improve, to learn, and to challenge yourself. Don't be disheartened if you don't master it immediately. It's a journey, not a destination. If you're serious about improving your game, consider seeking professional advice. A coach can provide personalized feedback and help you refine your techniques. But most importantly, have fun. Golf is a game meant to be enjoyed, whether you're seeking professional glory or just a great way to spend a Sunday afternoon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more golf tips and tricks. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to drop them below. Happy golfing!